Okay guys, so it's time for the Monimoto draw, where 3 of you who answered the question correctly and sent the email will be chosen. Now, unfortunately, many of you didn't get the question correct, and that's because you said Monimoto will call you upon movement and neglected to say that I will send you a notification, which is the most important thing, with the GPS coordinates of where the bike is at. And some of you commented on the video but didn't send the email, and the email is the only way for me to verify if you won that it's actually you. Anyway, in either case, I think we've got 600 plus entries, and all the entries are here in this contraption, which is the Monimoto box, but you can see a funnel at the end of it. Now I hear you say, what the heck, what is it for? And don't forget that this is the channel of the questions videos, so we don't do things half-hearted. So inside this, let me see if I can open it with one hand. You have to have perfect dexterity here. Come on. There we go. Inside here are all the entries. You can see them. So this is gonna go on the exhaust of the Nuda like this, and then we're gonna start up the Nuda, and the Nuda will throw all these entries out, and then we can select. Now I'm gonna select the closest one to the Nuda, one in the middle, and then the furthest one away. And just to be on the safe side, what I'm also going to do, I'm going to choose another 3 entries, just in case the winners don't contact me within the 7-day period. So from the day of this video, if you're a winner, you need to send me an email, and it has to be the exact same email address that you sent the answer with. And if you don't, then I will select one of the other 3 that I will draw as well. And those 3, if they didn't win the Monimoto, I will send a set of stickers to. So all 6 of you, the main winners, the 3 of them, will have to send me an email, and then the reserve winners as such will have to send me an email as well. And if you didn't win the Monimoto as a reserve winner, you will get a set of stickers. So let me get this contraption all sorted, and then I will get back to you. Now, everything is set up. You can see it there. Now, I haven't tried it. I honestly didn't even try a test. I don't know if it's going to work or what. If it doesn't work, well, obviously you're not going to see this video. And I've got my drone here, which is hopefully will capture the moment of that eruption. Let's try it. Here goes nothing. Well, that will work. So let's see. The furthest one is this one here. This is the furthest one. So we'll take that one. And then I'm using my mouth to open it. We open it. Let's see. Come on. It is Jipa Valentin, and his YouTube, where it is, you can see it here. Oh my god. Jipa Valentin, and his YouTube name is Zentrick. So that's number 1. I'm going to put it in my pocket. Now the closest one is this one. Let's open it. And this one is Ken Bockaert, and his YouTube name is KB. That's number 2, and now we will go to one in the middle. So let's choose this one here. I didn't put this one in my pocket. Come on, man, get in the pocket. And then this one here. And this one is, I really need a helper next time. Come on. Yanni Kopstrom, and his YouTube name is Ju28Ju28. Congratulations, you three. And then I'm gonna pick the reserve winners. So we'll just go ahead and randomly pick. I'll pick this one here. And remember, you didn't win anything unless somebody pulls out. And this one is Benedikt Münch, and his YouTube name is Ben. So this one goes in another pocket, and then we will choose another random one. Let's go here. Hopefully the drone doesn't cut my head off. And let's see. This one is one of the other reserve winners is Ameer Attar, and YouTube name is Ameercat. And then the last one is Ryan Hayes, and the YouTube name is RH Automotive. So the first 3 won, and you need to send me, oops, let me get that one. And you need to send me your address so I can send it to Monimoto and they will ship you the product. The last 3 are reserve winners, and you need to send me still an email. If you don't win, you will receive a set of stickers. That's about it. Take care, guys. Whenever I do this, people accuse me of littering, so I might as well start collecting. Let me just take this out so I can get the thing in and start collecting. Oh my god, this is horrendous. I'll spend all day here. Aha! I've got an idea. The man always comes prepared. Et voila! It's all clean before any of you start saying, oh, you litter and do all that stuff, and they're all back in here.